You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is at 42.5k level right now, and the market on the 4-hour chart right here, we've seen a very important pattern I'm going to show you as market go down as predicted yesterday, and also on the ETH USD 4-hour chart, we see the market retesting on this level of support. I also talked about this yesterday, and on the Bitcoin dominance, we've not seen any move from this area. I said market is going to move from here to the upside. We see a little bit of move to the upside, but market find rejection from this level of resistance. So right now, what are we expecting in the market? Are we going to see the market break this resistance and move up, or we're going to see the market come back right down in relation to what we are seeing on BTC right now? All of these and more into this video, so watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. BTC USDT 1-day chart here. Yesterday, I talked about the market breaking this very level of 0.50 on the Fibonacci, and market is right down at this level. This area where the market is right now is a very important support, which was resistance in the past. So if I draw this at this point, you see this was a very strong resistance at this area. We see resistance at this area. We see support here. And then if you go to the past, you see another support at this very area. And right now, market is forming support at this very point. So what that means is market have high tendency of going to the upside. Now, what I am paying attention to is the significant bullish candle. If you look at it from here to the downside, we've not seen any significant bullish candle right now. All we are seeing right now are bearish candle and this little bullish candle and this one that is forming right now. So I'm still looking for a significant bullish candle. That means that market is going to go up. That means the bulls are much in the market and they are ready to move the market to the upside. If we see the market go down below this Fibonacci level of 0.618, then that means market have high tendency to react to this very area. Now the reason is because at this very point is where we see the market move drastically to the upside from in the past. So if the market come back right down into this very area, the market have high tendency of going back up, because from the previous price action, market move from here to the upside. So market have high tendency to, if it move back into this area, and it will move to the upside as well. So within this area where the market is right now, expect the market to move to the upside with a significant bullish candle that I've been expecting in the market for some days now. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on BTC USDT 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart right here, BTC USDT, if you look at it very well, market move to the downside. So there's impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse again. And if you look at it, the length to which the market was moving from here, this was long, and this is the longest, and this one now is very short compared to this one. So this is also an indication that the bears are not that much strong in the market to move the market to the downside because of the way they are moving the market in the past. And if you look at it right now on the MACD, we are seeing divergence right now. And on the MACD, if you plot this divergence from this area to this point right here, and then if you plot on the MACD right here from this point to this area, this is a bullish divergence. Now, what a bullish divergence means is that the market is going to go to the upside very soon. So that means that the bears are tired and the bulls are going to take control of the market to the upside very soon. So for bullish divergence, you should expect the market to move from here to the upside. Now, the worst case scenario that happens in bullish divergence is market can go up to this area and then come back down again to retest on this very point before we see the market move off finally. So this area are what I am paying attention to right now for market to move from to the upside. And if market break below this very area, because the tendency of a bullish divergence feeling is there. If market go below this area of support, this support at this area, and go to this very area, this very level is 41k level at this point. So market should find support here and move to the upside as well. So I'm looking at these two levels, which is very, very important. Pay attention to this area of 41k and this area where the market is right now for the market to move up from this area. So these are the 2 points I am paying attention to right now, and what you should be looking out for is a significant bullish candle and an increase in volume from this area, and also a significant bullish candle and an increase in volume from this area will make the market to move to the upside. So this is what I am looking out for right now on BTC USDT 4-hour chart. And if you see a breakdown below this area, let's say this bullish divergence fail and the market failed to go to the upside, and you see the market break below this level of support and it forms a bearish candle that closed below every other candle within this area, then that means market is going to go down, and this will be very, very bad for Bitcoin. But this is not what I am expecting. But if it happens, then know that Bitcoin is going to go down. I am looking at the market from here, go up, and from this area move to the upside on the immediate short term on BTC USDT. On ETH here, if you look at this chart, nothing much have really happened around this area like I talked about yesterday, and I am expecting the market to move from here to the upside. Okay, and if we see a break below this level of support, which was resistance here, which was also resistance at this very point, and go back down with a bearish candle that closed below every close within this area, then that means you're going to see this market come back down into this very level of resistance here, which will turn support at this very area. So from here, market is going to go up, but what I am expecting as well is a significant bullish candle from this area or this area, and market to move to the upside. Those significant candle that I always talk about is a signification, is a sign that the bulls are already in the market and they are willing to move the market to the upside. So that is why I always pay attention to them. So this is what I am looking out for on ETH USDT 1-day chart. If you look at the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market have not created a new low than the previous low at this area. So coming back to this very area, you see this was the last low when the market come back right down. From here, the market have not created any low, market come back down from here, no low, and then market come back down again, have not created a new low. This also means that the bulls are still standing here to push the market to the upside. And what you notice right here is the market seems to have a fail swing here, but this fail swing will only be confirmed if the market begins to move to the upside and create a new high higher than this very area right now. So what I am expecting right now on ETH is a significant bullish candle increase in volume from this area of support, and market should move to the upside. And if we see a breakdown below this very level of support right here with a bearish close that close below this support and below every other candle within this area, then that means market is going to come back down into this very level of support, which was support in the past, which was resistance at this very area. So from this area, if you look at it, market moved from this area in the past. So that also means that if market come back down into this area, markets have high tendency or high probability of moving to the upside from this very point. And this is what I am paying attention to as well on ETH USDT on the immediate short term. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance at this area, I was talking about the market moving from this level, and if you look at it, market move up a little bit and find resistance. This was resistance here, resistance at this point, market come back down a little bit, and this resistance is very, very strong. So that also means that when a strong resistance is broken in the market seems to move up very fast from that area. So what I am paying attention to right now is the market to move drastically from this area if we see a breakout. So if you see a breakout from this area, then that means market is going to move up. If market move up from this area to the upside after a breakout, then that means BTC is going to move up very fast because of this divergence, and also ETH is going to move up as well because of this support here, that is support here, market is going to move up. But Bitcoin is going to move up faster compared to the way Ethereum is going to do right here. So on the Bitcoin dominance, I am expecting a breakout on this level. If we do not see a breakout on this resistance, then that means market is going to come back down to retest on this very key support. So this is what I am paying attention to on the Bitcoin dominance in relation to ETH and BTC. So what do you think right now on Bitcoin? Do you think the market is going to from here go up, or do you think market is going to go up a little bit and then come back right down to touch this very support level before it will move up finally? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program and learn how to do simple technical analysis and market prediction, check the contact in the description of this video and reach out to us immediately and enroll into the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.